to week 5 of Disciple Making with Youth and Families. This week we are studying the discipline of personal testimony, sharing that personal testimony with others. We want you to upload your personal testimony anytime this week or next week. You're able to access that assignment in Blackboard. And just as a recap, we discussed this last week, but we would ask you to record yourself and then upload the YouTube link to the Blackboard shell. Again, the reasoning for that is writing a personal testimony is very valuable. We also want to view how you share your personal testimony in person. So that's why we're asking you to do a YouTube link. There is 3 parts to a personal testimony. You'll read about this in your reading, but Doug Fields makes it very simple. There are 3 parts. The first part is your life before you accepted Christ. The middle part of your testimony describes how you came to know Christ. And the final part of your testimony describes how your life has been different since you made that decision to follow Christ. Again, that's the Doug Fields model. Maybe you know of a different one and want to use that one. That's totally fine. We just want to give you maybe a template to use if you needed it. Another thing to remember this week is remember to interact on discussion board. Take the first few days of the week, Monday through Wednesday, and post your initial comment, and then spend the rest of the week interacting with your colleagues in the class. Also, I am on discussion board interacting with y'all, so hopefully we'll be able to have a lively discussion about personal testimonies. You'll want to review your PowerPoint lectures for this week as well. Those are labeled week 5 in your Blackboard shell. And this week or next, the personal testimony is not actually due until the end of week 6, but you can play around this week with your YouTube filming, maybe on your cell phone or webcam, or have a friend video you, just to iron out the kinks if you've never done this before. Complete the required reading listed in your syllabus for this week, and then memorize your passage of scripture just like last week during week 4 with your friend, and indicate on Blackboard when you have completed that. Again, this is week 5. We are progressing through the semester very quickly, so I'll see you in week 6, and we'll talk further about other aspects of disciple making with youth and families.